Okay, whose turn next? Whose turn next? Your turn? Uh-oh. You're spit. Whose turn next? Whose turn? Your turn? You're going to go slow. How about you? Oh, you're messy. They're so messy at this age. They're so much easier when they're just a couple. You already, look at you. There's no more room in there. There's no more room in there. Let's spin them, spin them. No, no, get off the finger. Who said you could get off yet? You can't get off yet. Okay, wait. Let's spin you around. Oh, baby chap. Okay, okay. Okay.
You just fed him.
I didn't get much. It's so messy. Who's crying?
This is
Spin a baby. Come on, spin a baby. Spin a baby. Spin a baby. Oh, look at what I mess. So then we use grapefruit seed extract with a little bit of water, and that cleans them up really good.
You didn't even eat yet. I don't even know how you're
First
so
we wipe
messy.
their face with a little tissue, dry tissue. Then we do the wet grapefruit seed extract. Come on.
He didn't even eat yet. I don't even know how he's so messy.
Who else? Who else? Who wants some? Oh, we're spinning, spinning, spinning. You want some? Baby chef. Hey.
Look.
Oh, you can't get in there. Come on. Come on. You have to get off because you're my messy eater. Yes. Come on.
And these babies have no crest.
Well, that's because their mommies and daddies left their feathers when as soon as they started growing in. You want more, but there's no more room. Okay, wait. We got to wash that off before we go back to you. Don't want to pass germs around. You don't want to eat, do you? That's right. I wasn't going to feed you guys. Okay. Some more? Okay, who's left?
This one.
Messy babies. Are you still sleeping?
Yeah.
Come on, some more? Good baby. It's called spin a cockatiel. Spin a cockatiel. Want some more? Who's still hungry? No, you guys definitely don't get to eat.
You get this?
Full?
A little bit.
You want a little?
No, he needs a little more.
He doesn't have a golf ball size? No golf ball in there? Is there a golf ball in there? That's how we know. If it feels like a golf ball, then we know they've had enough. Come on. Swallow. If it starts coming back up out of the mouth, then you want to pull it out on the syringe. Then you can aspirate them. You see this little birdie spinning. They're old, so when they're at this age here, they don't take it all at once. You know, a little tiny bite. Itty bitty bite.
And then this one just begs and begs and begs.
Yeah. Hey. Why aren't you on the wheel? Get on the cockatiel wheel.
That's your messy eater, remember?
Oh, he's the oldest of them all. He's the oldest baby.
And this is my baby. Look at the baby chap.
You know, the hard part is cleaning them all up because they're all messy and they all don't want. How about baby Chip? You want a little more? Come on. Yeah. A little more, sweetie? No?
I think you're done.
You are not getting any more, absolutely not. Last night it was so cute. Baby Chip was on this little bird. Right here. His head was there. Okay, let's start the cleanup process.
Oops.
you're not done. Oh, you flattered. Want to come with me, sweetie? Clean the face. Clean the face. Just dry tissue. Dry tissue. Then we go with some
Where'd you come from?
grapefruit seed extract.
Where did you come from?
And water. Make sure we get all this off because it dries like cement. Okay, one clean, baby. You don't look like you ate much. Dry tissue. Do you want more? Oh, you're the turkey. See, he walks with his tail up in the air. No more? Dry tissue, wet wash. And dry tissue again, back in the bowl. Come on. You don't even need, he's so clean.
Oh man, somebody's
clean.
splashing me with bird food. Look, how did they get up here?
Come here, baby. Here, you want some more food? Oh, you feisty little buddy. You're so feisty. Come here. He's so feisty. Okay, come here. Come here. You look pretty clean. Oh, you're about ready to give birth to a golf ball. What are you doing to my plant? Tissue to face. Who's next?
I have two on me.
Okay, let me get the real dirty ones. You. You're sort of clean. You're clean. You're not. Of course. And the other baby check. Oh, honey, you didn't eat much. You didn't eat much. Come here, you want some more?
Oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, first flight.
Careful, because it's still hot.
No, no, no. Come on. That was the first flight for him. Come on.
What's that? Huh? Is that a camera? Is that a camera? What is that? What are you doing?
No, 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 no. Okay, they're going to all start taking off. We're going to take them back. Come on. No, baby Chet. I'm missing.
You're missing some?
Oh, no.
Because they're on me.
Oh.
Because they're right there.
Okay, so all the yellow ones go up here. Come here, baby. Get up. This one goes up here. And the white ones go down here. Look at your birch. Come on, baby. Maybe, oh, gotta put more paper towels down there. Uh-oh, uh-oh. That's the first.
Baby Chip's thinking about it.
No.
I don't know which ones I have. Here.
You have both yellow ones. Their faces look good because they're not very nice. Yeah.
Soft grills.
Come here, you. That hurts my shoulder. Okay, let's get the stick. And we have to get the stick. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's get up here.
All done?
There you go.